subscribe.
Shameless plug number 2.
क्या किया तूने? उल्टा कर दिया क्या तूने? You think I should do
एक मिनट ये क्या हो रहा है? लीड्स कैसे बनाना है?
How did you manage this? अरे ये छोड़ उसको.
इस साइड से ऊपर जाएगा.
अब इधर से लेके इधर आएगा.
ओके. अब इसका टॉप साइड देखना पड़ेगा ना. इसका टॉप साइड देखो.
रुक जा. पोस्चर देखियो फिर बोलिए आंटी लगती हूँ. No, I need to get ready because my little brat sister is ready.
So I wore this red sari that you'll see in a bit, and with that I put on these silver blue earrings, a black bindi, thick eyeliner, a red lip and a clip-on nose pin to finish the look.
You know, when you're like really late, that's what is the case with me. But I'm quickly showing you what it looks like. डांट पड़ने वाली है मुझे.
Bhog is a special meal that is prepared during Durga Puja every year, and as you can see, people come in thousands and hundreds to have this food, and it is actually a pretty busy time, and that's me during Bhog distribution duty. This year, because we couldn't do this out, we decided to have bhog at home, so we prepared khichdi, this mixed vegetable, paneer and a tomato chutney, and all together it tastes so good.
Can I be featured in your next YouTube video?
You are going to be. Say hi.
Hi everybody.
Do you remember me?
Comment on me and please put a like on the video.
So you have to comment the video.
Please comment on
And subscribe.
हाँ तो मैं लाइटिंग देख रही हूँ.
Oh, the sunlight is like...
How do you make it sit, man? ये मेरा नाक के लिए बहुत बड़ा है क्या? All my nose contour and highlight and everything is gonna go.
Of course, pandal hopping is the main highlight of Durga Puja, and we weren't sure if we would be allowed in, but thankfully they allowed us.
It's like a very tiny, chotu sa cute little murti, and like it's so beautiful, simple. Chairs placed at distance. Our Dhunuchi Arati is gonna happen here. An Aarti performed by burning coconut coir inside these earthen pots with this thing called Dhuno. It's really like a surreal experience. And this is the painter of this beautiful masterpiece.
I recently did the eyes.
Smells so good.
It does. I wish you guys could smell it.
Yeah, I wish you guys could smell it. Happy Navami. Today is the final day of Durga Puja and it's the 9th day. And you know the best part about Puja and like Oshtami, the Dhunuchi Aarti that you guys saw, is the smell of Dhuno in your hair. It just smells like really nice and smoky and I love it so much. It's like Puja is incomplete without the smell in your hair after Dhunuchi Aarti. So yeah, we're just gonna do a quick workout.
पहले थोड़ा एक्सीलेटर दबा देता हूँ.
गुस्सा कम. He's literally saying we decided not to take the risk because it's really crowded. भीड़ देख रहे हो guys? It doesn't seem like there's a pandemic going on right now.
दुर्गा पूजा का एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट है फोटोशूट, जो आज नहीं हो पाया. I think because I don't have pictures, I'm taking all these videos because I really like my makeup. I really was excited for this sari. I thought the pictures would be bomb, but there are no pictures. That's so sad. Literally a month after Durga Puja has already gone by, here we are done with the edit of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I honestly didn't even think that I would end up posting it, but then one day randomly I was like, why not? So then I decided to put it out there for you guys to enjoy. I hope you guys did, and I hope you guys have been enjoying all the festivals that have already gone by up till now since Durga Puja, and all the ones that are still yet to come with all your friends and family safely. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you did, and I'll see you next time. Also, I have this huge pimple scar and I was like too lazy to like do my makeup and stuff, so yeah, this is all my acne scars. I mean, I don't have a lot, but yeah. See you next time.